Disclaimer. The following video is fictional. In other words, the series of events in this video never happened. Any characters that may resemble anyone in real life is entirely coincidental. This video may contain valid same tones. Do not play this video in a public area, or EAS equipment may activate, which is illegal. I am not responsible for any activations of the emergency alert system. You are responsible for your actions. There are places in this video which don't actually exist in the real world, such as Macland, Gillington, Affil, Max, etc. Please do not comment. Those aren't real places in the comments section. I do not live in the US, and I do not want to use real counties to make the same tones more realistic. Instead, I will put random counties in the tones. For this video I will be using the Tom voice instead of the Paul voice. Why? Because I do not want to have Pink Sheep do the alerts. Please do not comment. Why did you use the Tom voice in the comments?
The National Weather Service in Bluetown has issued Hurricane Watch Number 9, effective until 11:55 p.m. Avian Eastern Standard Time, on Saturday, 12th September. This watch includes the following counties: in Macland, Enton, Ravenstone, Bluetown, Riverstone, Minecraftland, Second Peninsula, First Peninsula, Tripcut, Wall, Gillington, Mel, Long, Union, Margaret, and Southright. A hurricane watch means that the chances for a hurricane to make landfall in or close to the watch area is not necessarily likely, but cannot be ruled out in the next few days. At this time, Hurricane Sally was moving closer towards Minecraftland at around 25 miles per hour. Sally was a Category 2 hurricane and is capable of producing severe damage to buildings and property. Although severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Hello? Is this you?
What? Why are you calling me in the middle of the night? I'm trying to sleep.
I just got a hurricane watch on my weather radio. You might as well check the weather.
Oh no, I will have to tell everyone else about this.
Good idea. Well, have a good night.
You too.
Bye, Hanson.
Bye, Bert.
The National Weather Service in Bluetown has issued a hurricane warning for Riverstone County, Minecraft Land County, 2nd Peninsula County, 1st Peninsula County, until 12:46 a.m. Vivian Eastern Standard Time on Friday, 18th September. At 12:45 a.m. Vivian Eastern Standard Time, Hurricane Sally, a major and destructive storm, is expected to make landfall in Minecraft Land in around 12 hours. At this time, Sally was rated Category 5 and is moving southwest at around 50 miles per hour. Doppler radar has indicated that Hurricane Sally may have wind speeds of around 210 miles per hour. 60 feet of storm surge is expected. All residents in Minecraft Land are required to leave immediately or go to the nearest emergency area. If you do not leave, if you live in this area, you will face certain death. All residents in the neighboring counties are required to shelter in place. Please avoid traveling or using the phone unless you must use it for emergencies. Stay tuned to JL Spot 97.4, no weather radio or television for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, a hurricane warning is in effect for the following counties: in Macland, Riverstone, Minecraft Land, 2nd Peninsula, and 1st Peninsula.
Hello, I'm Hanson HSS. Welcome to Channel 4 News Macland. Today's story, we will focus on Hurricane Sally that is approaching Minecraft Land. Let's hear it from Paul. Paul?
Thanks, Hanson. Today we will be tracking Sally. No, not that kind. We are tracking Hurricane Sally, not Sally the little girl. Now, unfortunately, it doesn't look like the storm is getting any weaker. The wind speeds won't get any weaker than 210 miles per hour. Furthermore, 60 feet of storm surge in Minecraft Land is expected. Now, the weather sector of Rabbit Block has been brought to the attention that this hurricane intensified rapidly since the hurricane watch was issued. They have conducted some theories about why this storm got extremely intense super fast. The WSR has noticed apocalyptically hot waters, up to 76 degrees Celsius, in the area where the cyclone formed. That was why a special marine warning was issued yesterday for extreme heat waves across the state. The WSR has also noticed harsh air temperatures, with some parts of the state hitting as high as 55 degrees Celsius. Hot temperatures are the best fuel for hurricanes to intensify on. Scientists do not yet know why there are harsh air conditions. Oh no! A hurricane warning is now in place for 11 more counties. And furthermore, there is now a hurricane watch warning.
This message is transmitted at the request of civil authorities of Macland. Hurricane Sally, a major and destructive storm, is expected to make landfall in Minecraft Land in the next 2 hours. This superstorm has rapidly intensified over the last hour. At 11:54 p.m., Sally was a Category 2. At 12:46 a.m., Sally was a Category 5, with wind speeds of up to 210 miles per hour. At this time, Sally has wind speeds of up to 425 miles per hour. This hurricane has been measured at up to 700 miles in diameter, making this a massive hurricane. Evacuation orders are now in place for the warned area. If you live in the warned area, evacuate now. Follow evacuation orders from local authorities. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. If you do not leave, you will face certain death. Stay off the telephone unless you have an emergency. Please stay tuned to internet sources, radio or news programs for further information. This message is transmitted at the request of civil authorities of Macland. Hurricane Sally has caused mass destruction across Macland, making it nearly uninhabitable. This hurricane has completely ceased, however it is still not yet safe to return. A company called Rabbit Block is helping restore this once sprawling state from its utter destruction. Helicopters will be used for those in need. Residents should be able to return to their homes in a few months. Please stay tuned to your local news provider for more information.